Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable ghost mode on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So by the way, in this tutorial, I'm going to use iPhone, but if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same, okay? So first, you want to open your Snapchat app. Click on Map option on the lower left corner of your screen. And then here you want to click on the Settings button or option at the upper right corner of your screen. And then here you can see ghost mode. So when enabled, your friends can't see your location. And when it is turned off, you can choose who can see your location. So your friends or my friends accept or only these friends. So my friends accept is that you can choose you can choose specific users who cannot see your story or your location, and only these friends you can choose any specific friends who can only see your location. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.